Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. There are going to be a number of different questions and you got to answer. Let's start. Do you like talking to people? Like, are you a talkative person?
Yes, I'm very talkative person. When I get some spare time, I used to call my sister and
I
tell.
usually call my
I
sister.
usually call my sister and tell whole routine of my day and share some ideas and get some suggestion from her what to do and what to not to answer
What to
you
do and what not to
to
do.
do but
Yeah,
not
to
to do.
answer.
To answer your question, I am a very talkative person. I can't stay idle or quiet.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. How do you like spending time with your friends? Like, what sort of activities do you do when you meet your friends?
Actually, I'm not a socialized person. I usually spend most of my time with my family. I have sisters, so I have a lot of time to spend with them. I used to talk about dramas and ongoing trends, fashion trends, and how to stitch us our new suit or something like that. So, to answer your question, my only friends are my family in just like my sisters.
Okay, that's right. So just link your answer with the main question. After every three, four sentences, connect it with the main question. One last question. Do you prefer to study alone or with a group of your friends?
Actually, I can't study in a group of people because whenever I have some exams or something like that, I have to sit at night and prepare for my exams. And at whole night, I prepare for the exams. And in the morning, when I gave the exams, then I get some rest. And
This answer is irrelevant to my question. The question is, do you prefer to study alone or with a group of your friends? So,
I love to study alone.
yeah, now just talk about studying alone, benefits of studying alone. Why do you love to study alone? Talk about study alone only. If you start describing study or your studying habits and all that, that's going to be off the topic. And whenever you are off the topic, examiner will immediately ask you the next question. Right? They will not listen to you. If you're giving off the topic answer, they will go on to the next question. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Your English is good. You just need to be familiar with all these topics, right?
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
so
Thank
much.
you.